when it comes to if you do a overview on security, this is multi-layer encryption, locks and audit, ACL and IAM, retention policy, and object holds. These are different types of security applies at your bucket level. These encryption we discussed, ACL and IAM policy we discussed, locks anyway, it is capturing for all your services. We will discuss about locks later. These two I will show you right away, retention policy and object holds. Protection. See, here protection, there are many. One is soft delete protection for data recovery. If you edit when enable, the deleted object will be kept. So if I enable this, and even if I delete one object, it will keep for 7 days. I can change into duration either 0 or between 7 and 90 days. Up to 90 days, I can keep it. Okay, up to 90 days or 2 months, 3 months or something you can select. All right, soft delete policy. So it is like a recycle bin, we can say. Okay, if you delete the content, it will stay for data recovery. Next is versioning. We already discussed. Retention policy. Retention policy is like it's something like an accident. You can lock the content. It's kind of a delete protection concept. Delete protection. See, you have 10 files in your bucket and you don't want anyone to delete or modify those files. Imagine you can set up a retention policy. I'm just setting up for 2 days retention policy. I just set up, and if I try to delete the file, it won't let you do that. Okay, I'm trying to delete it. All right, I'm getting error. Could not be deleted. It's like a retention policy is something like it will prevent deletion and modification of that bucket. Any files in that bucket. It works in bucket level. Clear? Soft delete is like a bin. Then this is like you can anytime you can delete it also. This retention, you can delete it. And this retention policy works in bucket level. And there is one more, object holds. This works in object level. See, you will be working 100 files, right? So if you enable retention, even your team members won't be able to do the modification. Maybe you may need to do that. You may just need to do that for one file. In that case, you can do that in that file level, that object level. You can do it. Object hold. Okay, you can just temporary hold. It will prevent the deletion. Okay, deletion and modification of that particular file. Only in the file level, not in the entire bucket level. All right. These are some additional, these are any storage, you will find these kind of features. So just you need to understand the names. The names are important. Like you may know this feature exists, but what is the name? That part you should be very clear about it.